this video we are going to learn a very important topic, which is the use of few, a few, and the few. There are a lot of people around the globe who are confused the proper usage of few, a few, and the few. So just learn it from a few example. तो जी जनाब, few का इस्तेमाल उस वक्त होता है जब कोई चीज ना होने के बराबर हो. For example, few students attended the lecture. I have few friends left. Now come to the next one, which is a few. Few को हम a few को हम कब जुमलों में इस्तेमाल करेंगे? A few का मतलब है तादाद के लिहाज से थोड़ा बहुत, कुछ कुछ. For example, I have a few friends, but she has many. मतलब मेरे थोड़े बहुत दोस्त हैं, लेकिन उसके बहुत सारे हैं. Now look at the next example. A few birds were sitting in the trees. A few. तो क्या आपने जाना कि a few हम तब इस्तेमाल करते हैं जब हमारा मकसद किसी शे को जाहिर करना हो और वह तादाद के लिहाज से थोड़ा बहुत हो, यानी कुछ कुछ. The few के माने हैं वो थोड़े बहुत जो हैं, वो थोड़े बहुत जो हैं, इसके लिए हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं the few. For example, the few books I had were stolen. मतलब मेरे पास जो बची कुची किताबें थी, यानी मेरे पास जो थोड़े बहुत किताबें थी, वो चोरी हो चुके हैं. The next example with us is she could give me the few rupees she had at that time. So I hope that you would have understand the proper use of few, a few, and the few. So if you are interested in our channel, then please subscribe our channel and always be with us by clicking on the bell icon also. So just subscribe our channel and share it with your friends. So your friends